Hey guys, I am Thanks. I hope you all doing fine. So today I will show you how I slowed and sped up perfectly the songs. Anyways, first subscribe my channel and like this video. So let's start the video. Open the Play Store and search BandLab app. Install app and open it. Click on the plus icon below. Click on audio stretch to slowed and change the pitch or reverb your music. I've already added the music to show you an example. Okay, if you want sped up the song, follow me like this. If you want sped up, click on plus to speed 1 or above speed, according to your music. You can also add pitch to your video, but it depends on you. Music, tone it low and deep your music like this. If you want to add, you can also add. Okay, if you want to add pitch, you can also make like this full version of this song in my YouTube channel, check it out. Okay guys, let's move on. Slowed reverb the song. It is opposite side of speed the song. Okay, no problem. I will show you with the example. Okay guys, I hope you will fully understand how I sped up and slowed the song. Thanks for watching this video.